Alright, hey there everyone. Yeah, it's gonna be like a little mini devlog. You could consider it a teaser for devlog too. I've done some progress today, but it's not that much worthy of a devlog or anything. So I decided to make a mini devlog, or maybe a teaser. I'm gonna show you a video now. It's a short video. It'll show you one of the new features, or two of them, alright? That I've done today. So yeah, sit back, relax, and just watch it. Yep, that was basically it. Basically, I just added some a new enemy type. Well, there's actually two enemy types, but that's just one of them. I'm not going to spoil it. The other one, but it's pretty simple. There's also a fade screen when he died, as you also saw. I got killed by all those bullets. That's just a little teaser. I've also added a tiny bit about other stuff, but that's just it for now. Alright, peace out. I'll see you in my next video. Live stream or devlog. Peace out and have an amazing day.